Hey young chefs! Welcome to HORBEA, Tiny Masterchefs, an ultimate online cooking adventure for kids. I am your host Nini, and I am super excited to share the magic of cooking with you. Inspired by the hit show MasterChef Junior, this show is designed to teach young ones the basic life skills, teamwork, and creativity in the kitchen. Not only this show is a means of building onto their personalities and confidence. We will have fun cooking up a storm together. Let's explore why involving kids in cooking is essential for healthy eating habits and family bonding. So join me every week for new recipes, cooking challenges, and kitchen adventures. Subscribe now and let's get cooking. Toodles!